Hello YouTube, this is Angel Dreams, and today we have an L.O.L Surprise doll, the L.O.L Surprise Queen doll one. And I know the video is weird. I'm at my desk. I was trying to figure out how to video. But anyway, I never opened one of these to begin with when it was just L.O.L Surprise dolls. So this being a Queen's, maybe it has glitter because this one has glitter on it. So maybe some have glitter and some don't. I mean, there are glitter ones, but this is supposed to be like a Queen thing. I may need scissors. But if you're a little kid, make sure to have an adult before using scissors that are like this, or like these ones. I think I might use the blue ones. I'll come back after I open that or get that peeled. Never mind about the scissor way, it peels this way. I forgot they can do that. I'm gonna see if I can bring this down a bit so I don't have to hold it up. There. Okay, so I'm gonna peel it off and see. We got our clue. So our clue is music and an arrow going up. Comment down below if you know what it is right away between the music and the arrow up. Obviously it's some type of music queen. Don't know her name yet. This thing was $12 at Dollar General. I feel like it's overpriced, even for what it is. I'm just saying. But I love the packaging with the sparkles. But I hate that it's plastic, because plastic is bad for the environment. And yet we overmake plastic toys and stuff like that. Okay, so the Queens are like a disco ball. I guess there's nothing to open on the sides for this one. It's just all in one. So, oh, it's a chair. How nifty. And it looks like if you pull this up, it could be like an ornament. Hold on. To get a better view of that, I'm gonna move camera angle up where it's more show it to you. And how it has the arrow, I just kind of pulled that up. And then it could be an ornament or just some type of decoration in a room if you want to hang it up like that. Okay, now it's time for the packages. Oh. Okay. So, we're going to try to open the accessories first. I don't know which is the doll. I think it's the bigger ones. So let's open the smaller ones, kind of go by size. Okay, but anyway, let's open this one up first. It's very small. If you could see it more. Try to let it focus. It looks like flowers, like a corsage. Wait, is this like a prom thing? I don't know if this could fit, like, is this supposed to like fit on a bigger doll? Like if you had a bigger doll, because the size of this, it does not have a big doll. You could already tell. But anyway, it's like a corsage. Makes me think that it's like a prom queen type of thing, which is why, you know, queens. Oh, it's a little crown. A pink little crown. There it is. On both sides. You know. Isn't it just so lovely? I feel like for a toy you get to play for a certain amount of years, that the fact that it's expensive, it shouldn't be. Oh, it looks like a picture on the bag. Maybe these are her friends, maybe her and her friend. We'll have to see. This looks like a, wait, it's a phone. It is a phone. I thought it was like a purse, but no, it's a phone. Holds in her hand. I almost thought a picture frame too. Okay. Then we have this one. Considering this stuff is made out of plastic, it is still so bad for the environment. We got the little shoes. Hold on. They're very small. The doll is small. They're just like black little shoes. Kind of trying to flip them around. Hold on. I have to hold one at a time. But that's supposed to be the back there. The front. Little tiny shoes. I just put them on my desk. And we're just gonna open the other ones. It says pop. I wonder what kind of pop it's supposed to be. It just says pop. Got an outfit. Oh, look at how adorable that is. Emojis. She's a social media queen. You could tell that right away. She's definitely an influencer because I just got the stand. The influencer type of light stand. She's an influencer. And for, I assume to be the doll. Yep. Ta-da! So hopefully you guys guessed it right on who it is. I have to look this one up. It says Little Queens. Hold on. It's wrapped weirdly around her. Or just says Queen. But like, she's the influencer queen. Right now she's naked because I have to put that on her. Her skin tone is mashed So whoever made this one, why is it mismatched? Like, this is not worth $12. At most I would say 7. At most. $12 is a little overpriced for this one. Is this supposed to be a dress? Because honestly, she didn't get no pants, so I think it's supposed to be a dress. Oh. And how hard that is to put on. Jeez Louise. Okay. I think I got it on. Still don't know about the queen thing because it's just sticking out her sash. I kind of just want to take off the sash. Let's put on her little shoes. Dude. Did I put this on the wrong foot? Maybe. Maybe not. Either I put this on the wrong foot or... No, I don't think I did. Maybe. Oh, it goes on her head, like, literally. On her head. Into the pouch. That, for some reason, having troubles with. Obviously, her phone and her corsage. And if you want to put her pop ball, you can just stick it in her mouth or put it. Right now she has it in her mouth, or it could go on her hand, like if she drinks. But we're gonna put her phone. Unless I put this on the wrong hand. Maybe I did. Doesn't matter which hand. She's just, oh, so fabulous. And can't put this in her head. I'm just having troubles putting it in her head. So I guess she's a queen without her crown, because it seems to be a pain in the butt. But here we could place her. In her chair. Maybe. And if we wanted it like an ornament, it could be like that. And it could be like and you got a big crown. I assume this goes for another like big doll if you have one of the big dolls, but I don't. So, let's check out which queen she is, because I honestly don't know. I found her right away. Selfie Queen. Of course it's called Selfie Queen. But in this lineup of queens, you could get Selfie Queen, which we got, and she's under the one that says Committee. There's also the Grand Queen, the Charm Queen, and McQueen. Well, MC. I just called it like McQueen. But anyway. Then you have the RSVBB. And that's the Double Queen and Matchy Queen. Because she matches with Double Queen. See that? See that? At the top. But this one was the first lineup I said. And this is the second one, which I showed. And then we have the RSVBB again, like more of them. And that's when we have Mystery Queen, which she looks kind of emo. And I love it. We also got Crown Queen. I love that one too. Show Queen. I love her style. Study Queen. Cutesy. This one here looks like I spiced a little bit. And that one's the Shine Queen. And then we got Totally Queen, which she looks wild and fun. She would have been awesome to get as well. Pop. Okay, on this side it tells you what the star and heart and circle mean. The circle one is popular one, so you probably get more of for rare, and then ultra rare. We got the one that's common, I guess, which is why it's called popular. Anyway, that was fun. And there, one last time, she's in the ball. I'll take her out. And of course, it's Selfie Queen. Also, how would you get Selfie Queen from this? Because that's music notes and like an up. Unless it's like Shine. I don't know. Oh, can you put her little phone on the stand? Hold on. Let's see. Trying to see if it fits on her stand. That fell. Okay. Well, I was trying to see if it fits, but I slid it in wrong, but it does fit. So she could stand and do her selfies. And then she could hold her, like, drink, because she doesn't have to worry about the selfie. But if she holds her drink, I have to put her corsage on the left arm and put this on the right arm. Too bad her crown, I can't get it to fit for some reason. It's just supposed to sit inside. but very troublesome to get this thing in. So I'll keep trying to. Oh, and no. Almost got it in. I don't know which queen you guys like, but Selfie Queen is not me. A better name for her could be like Influencer Queen instead. Well, anyway, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and you could see more episodes of me unboxing stuff like this. Gonna go for now. Have a wonderful day or night. Goodbye. Also, happy 4th of July.